Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. Get ready for dictation on 90 words per minute speed. Passage number 26. Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Fellow countrymen, I came to address you at a difficult time. The brutal assassination of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi brought home to us in a bitter manner the grave danger to the stability and integrity of the nation. The ghastly act snatched away from us a great leader in his prime. His vision of India will continue to inspire the future generations. In this hour of crisis, the people of India stood as one, and they have given a befitting reply to the anti-democratic forces. The electoral process, which has just completed, again demonstrated the strength and vitality of democracy. The unity of Indian people is beyond challenge. The dangers posed to the country by problems of Punjab, Kashmir, and Assam are very serious. The general law and order situation is a matter of grave concern to all of us. The government will address to itself these problems with determination, and we will ensure that the unity and integrity of the country are safeguarded. It will be my government's continuous effort to redress the genuine grievances of the people. I am certain in my mind that we shall succeed in our endeavors, for we take our strength from our people who have a long tradition of love and sacrifice for their motherland. The economic situation is in great crisis, particularly the balance of payments position is exceedingly difficult. There is no time for us to lose. We must be prepared to make the necessary sacrifices to preserve our economic independence. My government will attach high priority to proper utilization of our natural resources in the pursuit of these objectives. In the past, we have faced such crises and overcame them with strength and resilience. In the same manner, we shall overcome these problems also. This is a national endeavor in the pursuit of which we should rise above sectional interests and partisan politics. In this task, we seek the cooperation of all our people. This government attaches greater attention to rapid industrialization, and we will work to make India regain her repute in international community. Utmost care has to be taken to ensure efficiency and quality in public and private sectors. Sir, the rates at which depreciation under the income tax are to be charged on various assets have been increased, and the revised rates have become effective immediately. At present, the Income Tax Act and the Companies Act are linked as far as the provisions for depreciation are concerned. Hence, the depreciation in the books of accounts of a company have to be charged at the corresponding rates of taxation, and the upward revision of depreciation rates in the Income Tax Act has led to a substantial increase in the depreciation amount which has to be provided in the accounts of the company. This is causing concern to many companies which have hitherto been making profits and paying dividends for several years. Suddenly, these companies find themselves unable to pay or maintain dividend if they have to provide depreciation in their books of account at the revised rates. It has been suggested that the government should issue a general notification allowing the companies to charge depreciation at reasonable rates. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India had taken up the matter with the Department of Economic Affairs. The department has taken the view that so long as the rates of depreciation under the Companies Act are linked with those of Income Tax Act, it would not be possible to issue such a notification, since that would be contrary to the provisions of the Companies Act. However, it has advised that companies having such difficulty in declaring a dividend after providing for depreciation at the revised rates may approach the department for exemption from charging full depreciation under Companies Act. Yours faithfully,